In today's rapidly evolving digital age, the importance of artificial intelligence in reshaping the marketing landscape cannot be overstated. From content creation to data analysis, AI tools are revolutionizing the way businesses approach their marketing strategies. As marketers seek efficient ways to optimize their campaigns and engage their target audience, AI presents solutions that are both innovative and effective. In this video, we will dive deep into the 15 groundbreaking AI tools that are setting new benchmarks in the world of marketing. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, these tools offer transformative solutions tailored to your marketing needs. The first one is Get Munch. It is a really hard task to create several pieces of content for your social media accounts. This is where repurposing content comes in. Although repurposing helps you save time, doing it manually is not as easy as you think. This is where you need to get Munch. It is a video repurposing tool that allows you to extract the most viral, engaging, and impactful clips from your long-form videos. This AI tool picks the most engaging parts of your long-form and creates a new, coherent, short-form, social media-size clip suited for any social media platform of your choice. The best part is that this tool automatically edits your video and even generates a caption for you. Afterward, it helps you post and publish your content, leaving you enough time to attend to your other work needs. This tool is indeed great for making public posts, but what if you need to do a more personalized video? Then you need this next tool, Be Human AI. Be Human only requires you to record yourself once, and it will help you to make fresh videos with your face and your voice. This tool does not only allow you to create a digital clone who looks and sounds like you, but you can also have video chats with your audience on your behalf. To use this tool, first record a short video on the Be Human platform, using your webcam or phone in any language. Afterward, connect your data by integrating your Boomin account with various apps like Zapier, Google Sheets, MailChimp, Microsoft Excel, and other apps. Whenever you need a video, Be Human then auto-generates the type of video you need and sends it to your client. This would help you stand out in the areas of marketing and sales. Talking about business strategies that help your business stand out, your business logo also plays an important role. Gone are the days when creating a logo is something difficult. With this next tool, you shouldn't worry about getting a logo for your brand. Number 3, Brandmark.io. Brandmark is a powerful AI marketing tool that allows you to create a unique, professional logo for your business. The best part is that you can also create other graphics like business card designs, social media graphics, brand guides, app icons, presentation templates, animated designs, letterheads, and more for your brand. The first try might not be perfect, just like how ChatGPT works. However, it gets better with each attempt. Now, moving on to this next mind-blowing tool that allows you to automatically create ads. Number 4, adcreative. Adcreative helps you simplify the process of ad creation. You tell it what you need, and in 2 minutes generate any type of social media ads that would normally require using expensive advertisement agencies. It can write text, headlines, and social media posts in the right sizes. Plus, it analyzes all your past ads, so you can know which one of them is performing best. Number 5 is unveil. This tool is probably the perfect AI option for simplifying the process of creating marketing videos. You can either create a fresh video or use the website's professionally created website template. You start by giving it a written description or script for the video you want to create. Then the tool takes this text input and turns it into a fully fledged video. The best part is that it can add a voiceover and even include captions. Number 6, Custom GPT. Imagine using all these marketing tools we have described to advance your business, and now, you are generating more leads than you can handle. How will you go about this? This is where Custom GPT comes in. Custom GPT is indeed an excellent way to enhance your customer support. Custom ChatGPT chatbots, fueled by your business information, can handle repetitive tasks and quickly respond to customer questions. This frees up your human staff to focus on important jobs. This chatbot is more human-like and on-brand compared to most existing chatbot that makes your chat obviously feel like you are chatting with a robot. This chatbot can even answer common questions peculiar to your brand as if it were a longtime employee of your business. You can even give it a specific personality, like being friendly, professional, or funny. Whilst working with custom GPT, you can also couple it with an AI assistant, like the next tool we are about to discuss for maximum results, Merlin AI. Merlin is a powerful Chrome extension powered by ChatGPT to act like your AI assistant. It is an all-in-one AI extension that writes, summarizes, codes, and plays, so expect it to do what an AI assistant would do. It can give ChatGPT responses during your Google searches and also summarizes your YouTube videos, blogs, and PDFs. This AI can even write posts and replies on LinkedIn, Twitter, Gmail, and your other social media accounts. Next up is Notion AI. If you're not using a product management tool, give Notion a try. This AI can help you with tasks like creating to-do lists, writing posts, setting meeting agendas, and much more, all within Notion. Notion AI can also help you transform text, automate simple tasks, and generate new content inside your connected Notion workspace. It lets you create different content blocks within the app, such as databases and to-do lists. Plus, you can conveniently translate, summarize, and edit your content without leaving Notion. Now moving on to this next tool, majorly developed for LinkedIn fans, Taplio. Taplio has multiple uses. It helps you generate engaging LinkedIn content with AI. You can schedule posts effortlessly, and you can track your performance and identify successful strategies. Plus, it provides stats and top content on LinkedIn, specially tailored for you. Taplio is a LinkedIn lead generation tool that's great for outreach. It can automatically engage with people and send mass direct messages on LinkedIn. This saves you a lot of time, especially if you use LinkedIn for your business. You can even set up automatic messages, like reaching out to those who comment on your posts, all of which will help you generate leads efficiently. Now, in this digital age, what is a business without a website? Number 10, Durable. Durable is a website generation tool that creates entire websites and their content quickly. You answer a few questions about your business, and it generates a basic website based on the answers you give. You can later customize it with your logo, colors, and more. While not highly polished, it's a handy option, especially for those who aren't familiar with website design. It's a fast solution for getting a basic website up and running. And that's not all. Durable can also help you automate your marketing efforts by generating ads, social media posts, and sales emails in seconds on your website to get more customers. Tool number 11, Texts. Texts is a handy tool that gathers all your messages from various apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social accounts into one place. Instead of checking multiple apps every day, you can allocate an amount of time to go through your messages more efficiently. This helps you manage your time better and focus on essential messages while reducing distractions. Texts simplifies your messaging experience with helpful features like the Chat Summaries feature to quickly catch up on ongoing conversations and the Draft Response feature powered by ChatGPT for efficient message drafting. You can also use the Translate Answers function to easily write in your language and let AI translate it for multilingual communication. The next tool on the list is Otter. Otter AI is a helpful video meeting tool, especially if you use Zoom and other video meeting channels like Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. All you need to do is connect Otter to your Google or Microsoft Calendar, and it can automatically join and record your meetings on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. The best part is that Otter automatically records your video meeting calls and then transcribes them for you. This means you don't have to take notes during the call. You can easily search and review the transcribed content later. It is great for team meetings or client onboarding, as you can revisit what was discussed without needing to write notes during the meeting. If you've ever experienced the frustration of searching for lost information on your phone, then Rewind AI would be a big deal for you. Rewind AI is like your personal search engine that helps you track your emails, Google searches, Slack messages, Zoom calls, and more. When you need to find something you've said or done in the past, you can simply type it into the search box, and Rewind will dig through all that content to find what you're looking for. It works pretty well for locating an important invoice or recalling a specific conversation with a team member. Rewind AI saves you from the frustration of searching for lost information. The next tool on the list is Jasper AI. Jasper is an advanced AI marketing and content creation tool powered by GPT-4 from OpenAI. It crafts high-quality content like ad copy, emails, landing pages, articles, and social media posts. It also has built-in templates that you can customize to your needs. All you need to do is add your brand name or product, and it will generate the copy for you. You can even set the tone of voice to tailor it to your needs and even check for plagiarism. This is also great for e-commerce shops, as this tool can come up with product descriptions, titles, and meta descriptions, all with just a click of a button. And finally, Beacon's AI. This is an AI tool for any business that uses email to pitch their goods and services to their potential customers. Beacon AI is a tool that makes it easy for creators to create customized and compelling pitch emails for brands. It simplifies what used to be a challenging task. Users only need to choose a brand, set the tone, and specify the pitch length. The AI engine then swiftly generates a professional and personalized pitch, which can be edited further. If you've watched this video all the way through, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below to let us know you've gained some insights from the content. For more interesting topics, subscribe and make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.